everyone, so today we will be doing rounding off. Rounding off is used in almost every single maths paper, so it is very important that you know it 100%. So firstly, this is the sign for rounding off. It's two little waves, if you want to call it that. I remember my grade 3 teacher teaching me how to do rounding off using this method. So basically you must picture you having a little car over here. This is your house and this is Durban. You are going on a family trip and 5 is the halfway mark from your house to Durban. Your car drives and drives until he reaches 1. He ran out of petrol. What do you think he's going to do? Is he going to drive all the way to Durban and push through? Or is he going to come back and get more petrol? Of course, he's going to come back and fill up with petrol. Then he got petrol again and he starts driving. He makes it past the 1 mark. Now he's at mark number 2. Again, out of petrol. What's he going to do? Is he going to push through or is he going to come back home? He's going to come back home. My teacher kept doing it until she got to number 5. So 1 to 4, the car had to come back home to get petrol. It was the best idea for him. But when the car reached number 5, he was halfway from the house to Durban. So the car just pushes through with the little amount of petrol that he has. So when the car reaches either point number 5, point number 6, 7, 8, or 9, the car will push through to Durban because it's a quicker road here than going all the way back. The moral of the story was, when we are rounding off, if our last digit is a 1, 2, 3, or 4, the digit remains the same. But if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the digit will change. We are going to look at a few examples. This is the number that we're going to be working with in our examples. Very important that you need to know the places of these numbers. So this 5 over here is ones or units. Then you get tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here is a decimal. On the other side of the decimal, you get tenths, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. So here's a few steps that can help you. Number 1, you're going to circle the number that they're looking for. So if they say, please round this digit off to the nearest hundreds, then you must circle the hundreds. Secondly, you're going to look at the number on the right, and then you're going to use this to determine if it must change or not. Here are a few examples. Round off to ones. Step number 1, we're going to circle our number. I just rewrote the number over here, making it easier for me. There's my ones. That's what they want. Look at the number to the right. So I'm looking at this number. Now I'm going to determine if this number is going to change or not. This digit on the right is a 1. Now I'm going to think of this Durban story. Here's a 1 over here. If the car reached that 1, he would have come straight back, meaning the 1 doesn't change my digits. Therefore, the answer is 1, 8, 9, 6, 5. That is your answer. If you want, you can say comma 0, 0, 0, 0, but that is not necessary. Round it off to 10,000s. 10,000s is that digit over there. I circled or highlighted that digit. Now I'm going to look at the number to the right. This is an 8. Now I'm going to go back to my Durban story. When the car reached number 8, point number 8, the car pushed through, meaning that the 8 changes my 1. When a number changes the number will just increase by 1, meaning the answer is 20,000. All the other digits will turn into zeros. Round off to the nearest 100. I circled and highlighted my number. Now I'm going to look at the number to the right. It is a 6. Going back to the Durban story, the 6 is located over there. At this point, the car would push through, meaning the 6 changes my number. Here's a little bit of a tricky one because the number is 9. So the only next number you can use is a 0. If the number is a 9 and it changes because of the number on the right, you must look at the number to the left as well and it will also change one. So your answer will be 1, 9, 0, 0, 0. Pause the video now and see if you can figure out the rest. Here are all the answers if you want to check yourself. One thing I do want to mention here at the 10,000ths. As we look here, 10,000ths is number 7. There is no digit given on the right. Therefore, the answer will just remain the same. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.